Hello, Megan Wolfenden, international best-selling author and business coach, and this is my self-care transformation video number 65. Well, I've just done a double. I've done a spin class followed by a pump class. I've eaten well today, so I think I'm over my cold and getting back to normal. I found some awesome recipes for some hemp muffins, so I'm going to try them out and put them in the kids' lunchbox and everything. And I've also got a no-carb cheesecake that I'm done to make. Yes, still want to think I'm having my sweet stuff. I know, got to get over that. And I have an appointment with a naturopath to talk about my thyroid, to see if that's what's causing these sugar cravings and just wanting carbs all the time. So I'm sure my thyroid needs a bit of work after all the chemo and everything. So that's my update. I'm here at the beautiful gym. So a lot of people there in the pool. It is winter, but this is just amazing. So no excuses for getting out there. And I'm thinking a big hike on the weekend is in order, which it's been a while since I've got out and done a big hike. So that'll be interesting on my calves, see how we go. Unfortunately, I still do have the numbness in my feet. And after the spin class, they were really quite sore, so I just had to stand for a few minutes and let the blood flow back before I could be sure I could walk without falling over. So still working on the peripheral neuropathy, but otherwise everything's good and the cold is gone. So I hope you're having a lovely day and I'll see you soon. Thanks, bye for now.